It's February already and we are celebrating the approaching spring with something new this month. We are dedicating the whole month to our Rosebud Fair quilt series. 2 new films every Friday, featuring star tutors Valerie Nesbitt and Jenny Raymond. We kick off on Friday the 2nd of February with our short introduction to the series, plus part 1, featuring the central medallion block of the quilt, created by Jenny and Valerie. A week later, we release part 2, the Dresden plate, which will form the very centre of our medallion quilt, plus part 3, the log cabin blocks that surround the medallion centre on all 4 sides. Friday the 16th sees the release of part 4, the star blocks which form the corners around the medallion centre. And we feature 3 different star designs for you to choose from. Also released is part 5, the flying geese borders for the quilt, one of Valerie's favourite blocks. The final Friday of the month, the 23rd, features the final parts 6 and 7. Part 6 is another star design from Jenny, but this time as an alternative for the quilt's outer corners. And part 7 is about creating an oblong single bed-size version of the quilt, as well as the finishing touches, including binding and quilting to create this amazing design. In addition to all this, we still have our Tip Thursday video, this month featuring quilt artist Claire Campion, who will be explaining the unusual places she gets her design inspirations, from books to toilet tiles. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.